Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering documents, ID, proof of income, and a bank account for transfers. Once those are ready, open the Home Credit app or web portal and create your profile. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, select the cash loan product and enter the basic loan amount and purpose to start the application flow. This first step moves you from prep into action immediately, reducing delays during verification and speeding approval. You now complete the detailed application. Fill personal, employment, income, and monthly expense fields accurately because discrepancies trigger verification delays. Then choose your loan amount, term, and repayment frequency. Weigh lower monthly payments versus total interest before deciding. Once chosen, upload clear scans of required documents, ID, payslips, and recent bank statements, and name files consistently to prevent rejection. After uploading, review every field slowly. Mistakes here force rework and prolong funding, so double-check numbers and contact details before submission. You finish by reviewing the offer carefully. Focus on APRA, fees, monthly payment, and any prepayment penalties. Once satisfied, e-sign the contract in the portal, then confirm your bank account for direct deposit and select the repayment date that fits your cash flow. Once you accept, funds typically transfer within the stated timeframe. If funds are delayed or the offer fails, contact support with your application ID and screenshots of errors. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly and gets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.